Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to silence unknown calls on WhatsApp. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Everyone who has your phone number can contact you on WhatsApp. Unknown callers may be people you have never contacted or saved as a contact. You can block phone number or silence call from unknown callers by changing your privacy setting. Silencing calls from unknown callers help you focus on only the conversation that are important to you, maintaining your privacy and preventing unwanted people from contacting you. You can see your silent calls from unknown callers in the calls and notification tab, but the phone will not ring. You can call unknown callers back from the calls tab. Alternatively, tap the unknown callers muted message in the chat. So how to silence that unknown callers on your WhatsApp? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on settings. Tap on privacy. You can scroll down. Under the live location, you'll see there is an option calls. You can tap on that. You can see here is to silence unknown callers. The toggle is inactive. You have to activate by tap on the toggle like this. Call from unknown numbers will be silenced. They will still be shown in the calls tab and in your notification, but the calls will be silent. So that is how to silence unknown callers on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!